ForkFocus Bale clamps are designed for the efficient and secure handling of materials such as cotton, wool, pulp, waste paper, and industrial scraps, making them ideal for palletless operations in industries like papermaking, textiles, recycling, and ports. The all-steel structure and high-strength raw materials enable ForkFocus attachments to easily meet users' high-intensity work needs. Also, the load capacity, opening range, and other parameters can be customized according to your real working conditions to make it 100% perfectly meet your needs.